Hello, my name is Taylor, and welcome to the Atono web educational video series. In this video, we'll be talking about comments. So while you can comment on a bug or a story, in this video, we'll be looking at how it looks in a story. I'll go ahead and open something up here. So if I go ahead and open up this story here, I can immediately see that there are a couple of comments that might require my attention. If I look in the bottom right-hand corner, I can see a comment box. Clicking here reveals the comment section. Additionally, though, I can see that there are some highlighted portions of text in the acceptance criteria that correspond to specific comments. I can reveal those comments by clicking those highlighted portions directly, and I see that in the right-hand panel, those associated comments are highlighted. Making a general comment is as easy as entering it into the comment box here. So let's say I'm looking at the story, it's looking pretty fulsome. I'd like to ask my product manager if there's a way that we can split it out. Can we split ACs 6 and 7 out? Now this is just a general comment. It doesn't correspond to anything specific, and it's added to the end of the comments here. If I did want to make a specific comment that was associated with a specific span of text here, it's as easy as highlighting that text and using the context menu to add a comment. For this example, in AC4A, we talk about clear community guidelines, but that isn't clearly specified in this acceptance criteria. So I'd like to ask my product owner for a little bit more information. Can you provide a guidelines document? Similar to before, I now see that there's a highlighted piece of text here that, when clicked, will highlight that associated comment. Now, digging into these comments a little bit more, I can see that there's a few actions I can take. So looking at this one, for example, I can see that I can accept or reject. We've designed comments to be actionable. And so maybe you're a developer working on a story and you need a little bit more clarity around an acceptance criteria. Or maybe you're a developer working on a bug and you need to ask that bug reporter for some more information on the reproduction steps so that you can reproduce the issue accurately. Looking at this comment here, I can see that someone's asked me if we should use a Gravatar integration for user profiles. And as a product owner, I've decided that this actually isn't really in scope for us. I don't think it's important for the story. We're going to go ahead and reject that comment. The next comment here is asking if we can add some specific categories to this acceptance criteria. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And that seems like a reasonable request. So what other categories do we have? Well, let me just add in some dummy categories. And now that I've gone and done that, I can mark that comment as resolved or accepted. As I'm processing these comments, I can see them disappearing from my view. But that's okay, because in my activity section, I can see that all of those activities are still recorded. I can see what action was taken on those comments, and I can see the content of the comment themselves. So nothing is lost. If I'm logged in as a workspace administrator, or if I'm the author of the comment, there's a few more options available to me. I can either go in and edit the comment, or I can just go ahead and delete that comment entirely. And similar to before, all those actions are recorded in the activity section along with the content of those comments, whether they're deleted or edited. In this video, we've reviewed how to make specific comments on acceptance criteria, as well as how to add general comments to a story. Thanks for watching.